Today we will discuss two most important problems in the data structure, because data structure, as you know, that there is a logical arrangement of elements. Okay, what happens, we can use one data structure to implement another data structure. This is the beauty of data structure. Yeah, like this is very famous question we generally ask during interview as well as some competitive exam. Implementation of queue using stack data structure and implementation of stack using queue. How I do? Before doing that, let me give you some brief about what is stack and what is queue. There is difference between stack and queue. There are two operations, push and pop. Okay, this will perform on the stack. There is one more pointer is there, top and empty. This is the case of push stack, and queue there is dequeue and include. Okay, there is three and empathy will be also here. Okay. This is we call as LIFO, last in first out, and this is we call FIFO, first in first out. This is we can observe easily when we are taking ticket in the reservation counter and we are going for movie tickets or any other things where we are maintaining queue. Okay, let me give example of simply I have element 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this will be the stack. Stack used for the implementation of many like evaluation of certain syntax, arithmetic syntax or things. How I will store? First I will store 1 inside. This is the push operation. Push. 2 is push. If suppose I want to pop one element, then in this case 2 will be pop from this, because the topmost element will be. Each time the top pointer will be rise. Let's suppose I have not removed 2. So let's suppose I have removed 2. Now there will be 1 at the top. This pointer will start pointing. After that, if I am inserting 3, this is push operation. Then top again will point at this one. Again I am inserting 4. Then top will point in this one. And this is like as a garbage pointer. I will remove because it will unnecessarily consume the memory. So I am removing this one and the top is. Suppose what I am doing now, I am doing pop. So in this case, I will remove this element and top start pointing this immediately. Okay, this is how we are performing on stack. We are inserting from top as well as we are popping element from the top. That means the people who appear the last will out first. And in FIFO what happened? This one Q. I have element 1, 2, 3, 4. Is simply the person who are coming first and serving first. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is we call as front, and this is we call as rear. Okay, this is rear. And suppose I am inserting 5, 6, 7. Front will remain F, rear will be moved like 5 and 7. Then rear start pointing 7. Okay, this is the scenario how we implement Q. Now the question is that same example I will take here and I will implement stack using Q and Q using stack. This is element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How I will insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And same thing I will perform in the stack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If I will pop the element here, I will get 1 and here I will get 6. So there is mismatch. Both are not same. However, I will get this 1 from the Q also, because we are expecting 1. We are expecting 1 because we want to implement Q using stack. But stack will give 6 because this is the topmost element. Top. In this case, what I will do, I will implement another stack. By using 2 stack, I can solve it as a Q. What I will do, I will pop all the element and insert in this one till the first. This is old stack S1 and this is new. Till the old stack will not empty, I will keep popping and will push into the other. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I can pop the topmost element and this is the implementation. Here I have inserted 7. Okay, and 8 also is here. Okay, in this case suppose I have inserted 7, and now what I will do, if I will pop here, then the 7 will come. So till the stack will not empty, all the element will not empty, I will not insert any extra element, otherwise it will reach this one and it will not perform like a cube. So what I will do, if I pop all the element, then I will add 7 here and 8 here. Okay, then I can perform this one. So this is how we are implementing stack by using 2 steps. Okay, and see another example of implementation of cube stack using cube. Same again, let me take 1, 2, 3. Stack will perform like as 1, 2, 3. And if I use 2 cube, 1, 2, 3. 2 I am representing this way because people generally start standing on like this way. And I am popping 1, 2, 3. If I will pop 3 here, it will give 1. So by using 2q we cannot solve the problem. What I will do, the way, just what I will transfer element from first 2 to second 2. This is q1 and this is like this one and 2 I will, because it cannot solve problem. Suppose 100 people are standing on the queue for the railway reservation counter, and I will ask just shift to another queue, and the structure will say. In this way, what I am doing, I am asking n-1 to shift into another queue, and the last one will come here. In this case, this is front and this is rear. Front and rear. Okay. Once I have deleted 1, then the front will go here. Once I have deleted 2, then front and rear will be coming. So front will be here. Okay. Then only we will pop. When both this condition will true, then I will pop the element, I will get 3. Okay. Once I have got 3, this is now empty. Both are 0. Front and are equal to 0. Now there is no 3. What I will do, I will to pop the 2. What I will again transfer this in like this way, 1. Then there is single element. So single element I will not touch. I will keep dequeuing element till there is 1 element. Once I have the last element, then I will stop, and then again front will reach here, and front and rear will be sent, and again I will pop. In the last one, again I will perform same operation here. In this way, I will implement both. Okay. And one more thing which I missed in the last class is the heap sort. So this is the last example which I am going to give brief idea of heap tree. Okay. Suppose I have element 5, 9, 11, 2, 7, 9, 5. I told there are 2 types of heap, that is maxi